Let's begin with the latest updates coming in on the ugly showdown between the centre and Twitter. The Delhi High Court will be hearing a plea against Twitter over non-compliance of IT rules. The centre's affidavit claims that immunity has been invoked due to non-action because Twitter's insisted that the compliance process is underway. Now, the plea filed by Advocate Amit Acharya had raised a complaint that Twitter has not appointed a grievance officer. The petitioner also raised a complaint regarding certain tweets by political leaders. In the affidavit against the microblogging site, the centre had on Monday said that Twitter is a significant social media intermediary and is obligated to comply with the IT rules of 2021. Centre said that the Twitter failed to comply with the new IT rules, which is the law of the land now. The centre's response comes after Twitter had put out its affidavit in court, where it said that it's in the process of appointing a grievance officer and that they'd complied with the IT rules. Let's take this across to Aneesha Mathur, who's joining us live with more details on exactly what's expected in that hearing today. So, Aneesha, the Delhi High Court will be taking up this very contentious issue of Twitter not really following the IT norms. What is Twitter's defense so far in the affidavit that they filed with regards to not following the law of the land?
Well, see, this petition that was filed in the Delhi High Court was regarding certain complaints raised by the petitioners, Amit Acharya, about tweets made by certain political leaders. Now, what Acharya's petition had argued is that he had given a complaint to Twitter, but no action was taken because Twitter is not following the IT rules. Twitter, in their petition, in their affidavit before the High Court, has said that they are in the process of appointing a permanent grievance officer for India, and in fact, the Acharya's complaint had already been acted upon within 24 hours of him filing those complaints. They have said that they had in fact appointed a grievance officer, but that person did not want to take on that role. Therefore, from 21st of June, they are once again in the process of appointing somebody. Now, of course, the government of India has said that simply saying that they are in the process of appointing somebody does not mean that they are actually following the IT rules, that Twitter should have immediately made the appointment, and even till date.
Reconnect with you and come back to you for the details of what Twitter has said really in the Delhi High Court, and we'll focus on that, the affidavit that the, Twitter as well as the centre has filed. But let's break down for you the charges against Twitter. Why are they under fire and in the dock in India? Number one, they've not complied with the IT laws that have been put in place a few months ago by the government. Now, they've also been accused of spreading enmity on their platform, which means that they haven't taken action against hate tweets. Besides that, another charge and allegation against Twitter is that they haven't censored pornographic content, and this is something that there's a case against them for also in the national capital. Now, flouting IT norms is another charge against Twitter, which they've refuted. They're saying that we are in the process of following the law in India. So we'll see really how that plays out. These are the serious charges against Twitter, and the hearing is happening today in the Delhi High Court.